Hello creatives! Welcome back to Modern Creative. This time around we are going to be working on a refurbished pair of shoes.
Yeah, my best friend, her little brother, actually gave me a pair of his old school Vans that he doesn't really wear anymore. We're going to refurbish them for him and give it back to him because he's a pretty cool high schooler, and what kind of high schooler doesn't want a pair of unique custom kits?
Right, big baller. So what we're going to do is we're going to take those shoes, we're going to kind of clean them up, wipe them down, and then start painting them. And then we are going to take a giant set of photos with them. And I'm saying that like we didn't already do that, but you guys don't know it because we did not shoot this chronologically.
But it's so dope!
Yeah! So what we're going to do is instead of us taking you guys along the journey, we're just going to kind of show you what we did. And then show you what we ended up with.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I hope you enjoy.
Let's get to that footage.
Let's do it! Shoes, they're looking super fresh, super clean. Now, we sprayed them with some adhesion promoters so they're sticky, so the paint's gonna bond to them. Now we can actually start working on the design of it. Time to start painting.
Alright, so now that we are done showing you guys the footage, I guess. Yeah, so what I really wanted to show you guys with that video was actually how they turned out. Considering that we went from literally just all white shoes to that, yeah, they came out pretty good. And so one of the things that we did with this photo shoot was we kind of just tried to embrace the fact that they were so unique with the color and the gradients and the way that everything was kind of, contrasting against each other. So we wanted to take that contrast and embody that as much as we could in the photo shoot. So what we did was we took it downtown. So, again, since we didn't actually get, the video footage, which I'm sorry, you guys, we're going to get better at this. But we'll just show you guys some of our favorite pictures from that night.
And it's my best friend in the pictures.
Oh, so enjoy the pictures. Make sure to follow us on Instagram. We are at The Modern Creative. I'm at Devin.Christopher if you want to follow me.
I'm at The Tree Machine.
So make sure you like, subscribe. Hope you guys enjoy the pictures. We'll see you next time.